First Timothy, a brief introduction. First Timothy is one of three pastoral letters, including 2 Timothy and Titus, that the aging Apostle Paul sent to those who would continue his work. Timothy was, in every way, Paul's spiritual son. Young, but gifted, Timothy had been assigned to lead the church at Ephesus, a church needing order in worship, as well as doctrinal correction, plagued as it was by false teachers. Paul's letters, likely written about AD 62 to 66, counseled the young man on matters of church leadership, from proper worship to qualifications for overseers or elders and deacons, to advice on confronting false teaching and how to treat various individuals within a congregation. Paul charged Timothy to live a life beyond reproach, giving believers a standard to emulate.